In today's video, we are going to show you how to use HoneyBook for event planners. Let's begin. Now, if you are an event planner looking to streamline your bookings, contracts, invoices, and client communication all in one place, HoneyBook is a game changer. Now, once you are logged in here in HoneyBook, I want you to go to the top right corner where you see the new button. And all I have to do at this point is to create a new project, and we are going to create an event planner. Okay, so for the type, that's going to be marketing because we are going to create an event. Of course, you can advertise. You can also go for others, right? And select a lead source. Now, since you are planning to have an event, obviously you need to create a client referral or an email or Facebook. It's up to you. But for now, we're going to use other because we are not sure yet. We're just creating our lead source for this specific event planning. All right, time zone is dependent on your work country or region. You can select accordingly, and for the start date, okay, for example, the event will run from, let's say, January 30th until maybe until 12. Let's do that. And end date is gonna be like let's say February 20. So that's gonna be the duration of our event. So we are going to plan it for a couple of few weeks, and the end time is like 1, and click the create project, which is gonna be for our event planning. Okay. It may take a little while because HoneyBook, matter of fact, is not available on all regions and country. If it's not available in your area, you might want to use a VPN to access the full features. Here, since we are creating an event, you need to provide the full name. For example, we're going to add it. Email address, phone number, last interaction. Okay. You can also add website, organization, and job title. It's super simple. Now, while you are following, okay, click the add to project because we are creating new contacts for this event that we are going to organize. Okay. You can put in the description to make it feasible for others to view it. Once you are happy, okay, click the save button. And of course, you can put in, and of course, it's also important to make sure that you create your own brand to get more visibility. For that to happen, go to the bottom left corner and click the company settings. Okay, so provide your company type, your phone number, and if you have a website, you can add it here. You can put in a default theme preview, customize your company theme, because this branding will automatically appear on proposals and invoices, giving your event planning business a professional look. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use HoneyBook for event planners. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.